Good day, children. Hope you all are doing well at your place. Today we are going to learn a new lesson in English. I hope you all like stories. So today we are going to learn a new story about Sheikh Chilli. So the lesson's name is Sheikh Chilli. Let's start, children. A very long time ago, there lived a man whose name was Sheikh Chilli. Many years ago, there was a man by name Sheikh Chilli. Now, Sheikh Chilli was a simpleton. Simpleton means he was lacking common sense. He was rather stupid and it was very easy to make a fool of him. And that Sheikh Chilli knew he was lacking common sense, he was stupid and it was very easy to make him a fool. But he was very popular. Everyone liked him. They enjoyed his company. But everyone in his town, they all liked Sheikh Chilli and enjoyed his company. One day, the village zamindar called Sheikh Chilli to his house. Now children, what do you mean by zamindar? Zamindar means landlord, the person who owns the land and he collects the rent from the people who are staying over there. Everyone knew that the zamindar was a very dishonest man, and in that village everyone knew that the zamindar was very dishonest. He was not a honest man. The landlord asked Sheikh Chilli to count all the houses in the village. And one day what happened? That zamindar, he asked Sheikh Chilli to count how many houses are there in that village. He promised to pay him 20 paise for every house that he counted. And that zamindar, he promised that he will pay 20 paise for every house that he counted. Poor Sheikh Chilli worked hard for many hours. He walked through the streets and lanes. He counted many houses. And now that Sheikh Chilli, he worked for many houses. He went through many streets, small lanes and all, and counted many houses. In the evening, he went to the zamindar and gave him the total number of houses. The zamindar paid him for his work. And in the evening, Sheikh Chilli went to the zamindar's house and he told him the total number of houses, how many houses he counted in the village. And what happened? The zamindar paid him the money for his work. Some time later, Sheikh Chilli's friends heard about the work he had done. They went to see him. After some time, Sheikh Chilli's friends, they came to know about his work. So his friends, they went to see him, to see Sheikh Chilli. "You are a fool," said one friend. "Why didn't you talk to us before agreeing to work for the zamindar? Don't you know he is very dishonest?" One of his friends told that you are very fool. Before working for him, why you didn't ask us? You don't know he is a very dishonest man. He is not honest. "I am sure he has cheated you," said another friend, shaking his head sadly. Now another friend, he was shaking his head sadly and told him, "I am very sure he has cheated you." "Oh no," replied Sheikh Chilli, smiling confidently. "This time he didn't cheat." "How do you know?" said the third friend. Now one of the friend was saying very sadly that this time he has cheated you. But Sheikh Chilli was very confident. He told, "No, this time he didn't cheat me." So one of his friend is asking, "How do you know?" "I know because this time I cheated him," Sheikh Chilli replied, looking very pleased with himself. And now he was very happy, Sheikh Chilli, and he told that, "I know because this time I cheated him." His friends were very surprised. "What do you mean?" And his friend says, what do you mean by that? Oh, I was very clever. I gave him a smaller number, came the proud reply. And in turn, the Sheikh Chilli, he told that I gave him a smaller number. In fact, I gave him only half the number of houses which I had counted. And what Sheikh Chilli did? If he counted 800 houses, he gave him only the half number. That means only 400 houses he counted. What a fool he is, correct? Children, soon I will be uploading the notes of this lesson. Kindly like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.